All right, so in the box, first thing we're greeted with, as you guys can see here, we're going to get a couple of little flyers here on the different components. We have something on our red dot as well as on our magnifier. Something that I'm excited for is this little riser that you guys see here. So what the riser is going to allow you to do is to raise the red dot above your Picatinny rail. So having this little riser in the kit, this is skeletized metal. It feels really good in the hands. This is very strong. So I think this is going to be a very sturdy accessory for your red dot. So let's take a look at a couple of things that I always took notice of with their different red dots. Now, these are going to be your turrets for adjusting your windage as well as your elevation. These also have a little indent that is built into the cap. On the very tip of that cap, there's a little riser, and that is designed to fit perfectly into this little slot here so that you can adjust your windage. I don't know how well you guys can hear those clicks, but it's very, reassuring. It also has some indicators on here, which is right, left, up and down. You'll see that on this as well. The other thing that is nice about this red dot, guys, is that it has the new shake away technology. That means that even if you forget to turn this off, it will turn itself off over and within an hour. But you do have a power button right here that's used to turn this on and off. So right now, I don't see our red dot. Let me check. Nope. So we're going to turn this on. Let me bring up the brightness so that you guys will be able to see it a little bit better. So I'm going to bring that up. There we go. You guys should be able to see the red dot right now. So again, all I'm doing is adjusting these two buttons right here. We have our up and down, and we have our power button. And like I said, if you leave this alone for about an hour, it will turn itself off. Now, the magnifier also comes in two pieces. The first component is going to be the mount itself. Again, it has a similar type of hand tighten little mechanism here for locking this down onto a Picatinny rail. This is all metal, guys, built really well. Beautiful, beautiful glass. Let me see if I can show you guys through that. Now, I mean, there's a couple of lights here in the studio, so you may see a little bit of reflection off of that, but for the most part, this is very clean. Definitely something that you guys want to take a look at. All right, guys, as you can see here, I have it now installed onto this 3D printed Picatinny rail. Your button is here. Now, you can mount this left or right leaning, depending on which direction you want to be able to turn this, but simply enough, you're just going to press in and you're going to rotate the magnifier out of your line of sight for your red dot. And the way this is going to work is it's just basically going to line up like so with your red dot, and you guys see that it's a really nice relief on this. These are going to fit perfectly together. So for training purposes, practicing, maybe home defense, if that's something that you guys are concerned about, this is a nice combination. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I don't know how quick it was to show you guys all the different features of this combo kit from Feyachi.